Namaskar to everybody. I Arjun from 7B today I will be showing you the perspective of natural vegetation and wildlife. Now I will be talking about the participants that are following that Ashi Khandelwal, second that is Aditi Mishra, third Akshit Sharma, fourth Ananya Bansal, fifth Anshul Jain, sixth Arjun that is me, seventh Aryan Jain and eighth is Bhavya Agrawal.
Natural vegetation refer to plant community which has grown natural without human asset. They have been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. We call the vegetation to thus cultivated crops, fruits, ostriches, and for more parts of vegetation, but not a natural vegetation. Furthermore, natural vegetation and fauna are the paramount of the Indian microbes. Thank you and have a wonderful.
Namaskar to one and all present here. Today Aditi Mishra is telling you about my SST topic. My SST topic is tropical forest. Tropical forests are forested landscape in tropical region, that is land area approximately bounded by the tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, but possibly affected by other factors such as prevailing winds. Tropical evergreen forest. First, these forests are also called tropical rainforests. Second, they are found in South China, Southeast America, Southeast Brazil. Third, wildlife. Giant pandas, owls, and wild cats are found here. Tropical deciduous forests. They are found in India, Central America, Northern Australia. Trees are found in deciduous forests. Sal, neem, teak, and third, wildlife. Bear, snake, and langurs are found here. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Akshit Sharma. Today I will present my topic on Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean vegetation. This type of vegetation is found largely in the areas around Mediterranean Sea in Spain, South France, Italy, Greece, Portugal, Syria, Israel, Turkey, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, California, etc. These regions are marked for hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. Common trees found in Mediterranean vegetation: oak, pine, fir, cedar, cork, etc. Citrus fruit like oranges, figs, olives, and grapes are cultivated here. Main fruit trees are grapes, peaches, plums, apricot, cherries, almond, and walnut. Thank you.
Namaskar. I, Ananya Bansal, is going to tell you about temperate forests. So let's start. Temperate evergreen forests. So these forests are found in mid-latitudinal coastal regions. These are commonly found in eastern margins of continents such as Eastern Australia, South China, Southeast USA, Southwest Brazil, eastern coast of South Africa. This region receives plenty of rainfall, so they are very dense. These are mixed forests of hardwood and softwood. So some common vegetation are pine, eucalypt, oak, campion, palm, and maple. And some common wildlife are called squirrel, giant pandas, badgers, owls, bats, and wild rats. Now I am going to tell you about temperate deciduous forest. These forests are found as we go in higher latitudes, such as northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, coastal regions of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in dry season to protect themselves. In this region, mostly hardwood trees are grown. Some common vegetation here are ash, beech, birch, willow, sap, poplar, chestnut. Some common wildlife in this area are deer, foxes, wolves, turtles, ground squirrels. Also common birds of this area are peasants and monals. Thank you.
Namaskar, my name is Insurjan of class 7th B. Today my topic is coniferous forest. Coniferous forest consists mostly of conifers, which are trees that grow needles instead of leaves and cones instead of flowers. Conifers tend to be evergreen. They bear needles all year long. Climatic condition and adaptation. Conifer forests have really low temperature throughout the year. There are usually long, cold, mild, and wet summers in this region. These forests are found in Eurasia, North America, North Pole region. In India, these forests found at higher latitudes like Himalaya. Wildlife: minks, muskrats, polar bear, snow leopard, and white tigers are found in these forests. Thank you.
Namaskar to everyone. I Arjun from 7B. Today I will be telling about my topic mangrove forest. Now mangrove forest. First, they were found in the swampy regions of Delta. Second, they are very common in Japan, Australia, China, North America, and South America. Third, in India, they are found in Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the West Bengal. Second, they are found in the delta of Mahanadi and Godavari in East Coast, and then in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Fourth, in Ganga Brahmaputra delta, most found trees are called Sundari. This is why it is called Sundarban. The trees can survive in both saline and fresh water, and the trees have aerial roots to breathe, and they also prevent coastline from soil erosion, and they serve as a buffer between marine and terrestrial communities and protect shorelines from damaging winds, waves, and floods. Thank you and have a nice day.
Namaskar to one are present here today. I, Aryan of class 7th B, is going to present a PPT on natural vegetation, particularly shrubs. So let's start with the PPT. What are shrubs? Shrubs are the short perennial woody plants. They can be deciduous or evergreen. Example of some shrubs are China rose, daffodil, lavender, Fatsia, Aucuba, etc. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone. Today I, Bhavya Agrawal, will be completing my SST activity. So my topic is desert and tundra vegetation. What is desert? Deserts typically have a plant cover that is sparse but enormously diverse. Although cacti are often thought of as characteristic desert plants, other type of plants have adapted well to the arid environment. Cold deserts have grasses and shrubs as dominant vegetation. These regions are located near the equator of the earth. Tundra vegetation, what is it? In these regions, the soil is frozen throughout the year, and during the summer season, the snow-covered land melts and produces shallow ponds. Small plants with flowers and different types of lichens can be rarely found, as these regions are habitually treeless and always covered by snow. These regions are located near the poles of the earth, like North Pole and South Pole.